Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back to the channel where we turn your financial dreams into reality. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments because I'm always here to listen. I'm Badamosi Omalola, your friendly guide on all things finance. And today, we're diving into something big: how to handle financial risks like a boss and invest with confidence. Trust me, this one is loaded with value you don't want to miss. So stick around. Before we jump in, let me ask, what's one financial goal you're working on this year? Whether it's saving for that dream car, paying off debts, or building your investment portfolio, drop it in the comments. Let's make this a two-way street. Now, have you subscribed? Come on, VOOP that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below. Your questions make this channel what it is, so don't hold back. Let me know what you're most excited to learn today. Let's dive right in. First, let's break it down. What exactly are financial risks? Imagine investing as planting a garden. Sometimes, you get rain, and sometimes, pests. Financial risks are the pests you've got to manage to grow a thriving financial garden. There are three main types. Market risk, when prices go up and down like a yo-yo. Credit risk, when someone doesn't pay back what they owe. Liquidity risk, when it's hard to sell an asset quickly. For example, let's say you invest in shares, and the stock market suddenly dips. That's market risk. But guess what? It's all manageable if you know how to plan. Another key factor to consider is understanding your risk tolerance. Are you someone who can handle market fluctuations, or do you prefer safer, steady returns? Knowing this can help you choose the right investment strategy. Also, always keep in mind that risk isn't something to fear but something to understand. The more you know about the risks involved, the more confident you'll feel in making the right decisions. Stick around because I'll show you how to mitigate these risks step by step. Oh, and by the way, we've done a video before on understanding investments. Check it out in the playlist after this video. Alright, let's get practical. Here's how to handle financial risks like the boss you are. 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. For instance, if you have $100 or an 100,000, split it between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversification reduces the overall risk of your portfolio. 2. Do your research. Knowledge is power. Look into the history and performance of any investment option. For example, before investing in real estate, study the location's development trends, future potential, and demand. 3. Set stop-loss orders. If you're trading stocks, set limits to automatically sell if the price falls below a certain point. This strategy helps minimize losses and preserve your capital. 4. Build an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved. Remember the challenge we had on emergency funds in a previous video? Start with small goals and build gradually. 5. Stay informed about economic trends, read news, follow market updates, and stay aware of global economic factors. For instance, inflation or interest rate changes can impact your investments. 6. Consult experts. Don't be afraid to seek advice. A financial advisor or mentor can guide you through complex decisions and help tailor a strategy that aligns with your goals. Pro tip: use risk assessment tools online to calculate potential risks for specific investments. Some apps even provide tailored recommendations. Which step do you think you'll try first? Let me know in the comments, and let's talk about it. Let's bring this to life with examples. Imagine Talu. She started small with $50 or an 50,000, split between stocks and a savings bond. When stocks dropped, the bond's steady returns gave her confidence. That's diversification in action. Then there's Kunal. who learned to set stop-loss limits after his first investment dropped by 30%. By cutting his losses early, he was able to reinvest wisely and grow his portfolio. And finally, meet Amina. She's a small business owner who built an emergency fund over a year. When unexpected expenses arose, her fund saved her from taking out a high-interest loan. Smart planning, right? Even I have my own story. I once invested without fully researching the market. That experience taught me the importance of due diligence. Want to hear more about it? Drop a comment below, and I'll make a video sharing the lessons I learned. These examples show how preparation and strategic decisions can transform financial risks into valuable opportunities for growth. Which story resonated with you the most? Share in the comments, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's talk emotions. Financial risks can be stressful, but the secret is preparation and mindset. Picture this: you've carefully diversified, built a safety net, and set clear goals. That confidence is priceless. Remember, it's normal to feel fear when the market shifts or when an investment doesn't go as planned. The key is to see risks as opportunities to learn and grow. Successful investors embrace challenges, adapt, and keep moving forward. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remind yourself why you started. Maybe it's to secure your family's future, achieve financial freedom, or build a legacy. Hold on to that motivation. Take a deep breath, focus on the steps you've already taken, and trust the process. Every decision, even the small ones, adds up over time. And don't forget, it's okay to seek advice or guidance when you're unsure. It's all part of the journey. Want to share your fears or stories about financial risks? Type it in the comments. I'm here to listen and help. Wow, we've covered so much today. You now have the tools to handle financial risks like a pro and invest with confidence. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more in our playlist to explore. Don't forget, subscribe for more content that empowers you. BOOP that like button to let me know you're loving this. Ask your questions in the comments. Your next idea could inspire a video. Share this video with anyone you think needs to invest smarter. You've got this. I'm Badamosi Omalola, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's grow together.